Let us start with the divisibility test, revision of divisibility test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Divisibility test का revision we will start. हाँ. In divisibility test, tell me what is the divisibility for 2? Divisibility test for 2. What is it?
Ma'am, the last digit.
One by one. One by one. About okay, tell me like that only. How much? What is the divisibility test for 2?
Ma'am, we will see the last digit of that number.
Last digit of that number should be what? Last digit what?
Ma'am, should be even. Ma'am, should be even.
Even. Should be even. Okay, good. Okay. For 3, what is the divisibility test for 3?
Ma'am, we will sum all the numbers, and then if the number is divisible by 3, then
we will add all the numbers.
yes,
See,
ma'am.
Adrika, you are making some of the mistakes. Like you are saying, we will sum all the numbers. We will not sum all the numbers. We will add the numbers. And the answer is the sum of the number. Sum of, and we will not say numbers. There, beta, see, there is a difference between number and digits. Just see the difference. There is a difference between a number and digits. There are.
write this.
Look here, everyone, just quietly. What is the difference between the number and digits? There is a huge difference between number and digits. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are digits. These all are digits. And number is made up of one or more digits. Okay, number, like alphabets. Like alphabets are A, B, C, D. These all are alphabets. These all are alphabets.
Alphabets.
You say dog, D-O-G, it is composed of
Dog.
3 alphabets. It is made up of 3
Yes,
alphabets.
ma'am.
So this is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
this is a word, and these all are letters. So see the difference you have in digits and numbers. When you combine digits, they form
Okay,
a number.
ma'am.
For example, 23.
Okay.
Beta Adrika, switch off your mic. A lot of sound is coming in between. See, 23. If you are writing 23, 23 is a 2-digit number. 2 and 3
Ma'am, it is
Anushka,
letters.
switch off your mic.
You have to write this.
And 3 are digits. 2 and 3 are digits. And 23 is a number. 1, 0, 10. 10 is a number, but its
Then
digits
we
are
have to
1 and
write
0.
this.
Who is saying this? We have to write. Nothing you have to write. Whenever you have to write anything, I will always tell you to write down. So no need to ask such questions in the class. Understood? This is the difference between the numbers and digits and words and letters. No need to write anything. सबको बस जल्दी होती है what we have to write. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand what I am teaching. The next time when I will ask, they will know do not know anything. Okay, for 3, what do you have to do? Sum of not numbers, sum of digits. Sum of digits what? What do you have to check then? Sum of digits what?
Ma'am, odd.
9. No.
Ma'am, then we will see that that number is coming in the table of 3 or not.
Yes. Sum of digits divisible by 3. Very good. Now for 5, what is the divisibility test for 5?
Ma'am, for 5, we will check the last digit. If the last digit is 0 or 5,
And
it
the
means
last
it is
digit
divisible.
should be 0 or 5.
Very good. The last digit should be 0 or 5.
And 5.
0 and 5.
Or 5, not and. There is a difference between or and. Or means and. देखो बेटा, I am explaining in Hindi. Or we say या. This or this. या ये या फिर वो. And means or in Hindi. You know the word Hindi, yeah? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
and means or. Or means any one of them. Any one of them. Any one of them. And if there would be and, that means both of them should be there. Or may anyone. Or may we have both. Both of them. Understood the difference between and or?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This is the difference between and or. तो 0 भी हो सकता है और 5 भी हो सकता है. It could be anyone. Okay. Now tell me for 6, what is the divisibility test for 6?
Ma'am, for 6, that
should be divided
number
by
divided
3
by
and
2
2
and
both.
6 should be divided by 3 or 2.
2 and 3 both.
the number should be divided otherwise by
Ma'am, the 6 numbers should be divided 2 and 3 both.
Tell me, is this number divisible by 6? Is this number divisible by 6?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why? Why it is not divisible by 6?
Ma'am, because it is not divisible by 3.
It is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 2.
It is not
Yes,
divisible
ma'am.
by 3. Why is it not divisible by 3?
Ma'am, because 1 plus 1 equals to 2 and 2
आद्रिका
plus
बेटा माइक थोड़ा और पीछे रखो अपना. हाँ, now speak. Now speak.
Ma'am, because when we will sum
Everyone can speak. Everyone can tell me the answer. There are so many students who are sitting idle and not telling me the answer.
Ma'am, first we
Okay,
have
let
to
me
add.
ask. Samar, now stop. And Adrika, you also stop. Let me ask myself, okay? Okay. There are so many students that are sitting idle and not doing anything. Just listening. Ishika, tell me. How do you check that this number is 3? Is this number divisible by 3 or not? Ishika, tell me. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? 6 or not? Sorry. Is this number divisible by 6? One, 1, 2 is divisible by 6 or not? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself first of all. Rest of you mute yourself. Samar, switch off your mic. Unmute yourself, Ishika. Ishika, now tell me. Is this number 1, 1, 2 divisible by 6 or not? Again, you have muted yourself. Join with computer audio. Now tell me. Internet calling will be there. Is this number divisible by 6?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Because वो 2 and 3 से होता है.
Then what? Then why is it not divisible? Are you not paying attention, beta? You're switching off your camera and just sitting idle? Huh? No.
Yes, sir.
No. Are you sitting idle? Huh? Okay, Ishant. Ishant. Beta. Wait. Where is Ishant? Okay. Ishant, wait. Start your video, Ishant. Ishika, pay attention over here and keep your mic and this mic off and video on. Video should be on now. You should not sit idle. Where is Ishant? Ishant, beta, tell me, is this number divisible by 6 or not? Ishant, I think his notebook is not proper. Let me ask somebody else. Imad? He's speaking.
We will First set 2 and 3 and it is divisible.
Imad? Imad,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your video. Tell me, is this number divisible by 6 or not? 112 is divisible by 6 or not? One and two is divisible by 6 or not? Tell me.
Ma'am, I will try.
No.
Ma'am, no.
Why?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No.
Adding, ma'am, after adding, it is not
The one who will
divided.
say, ma'am, I tell, I will mute them. Imad, what you are saying? You are saying something?
Ma'am, after adding, it will be not divisible by 3.
After adding what? After adding? Correct, you are saying correct.
Ma'am, after adding, it will be not divisible by 3.
Very good, Imad. Very good. He is saying correct. You are not. He is not audible, but he is saying correct. He is saying after adding the numbers, it is not divisible by 3. Right, Imad? You are saying this?
Yes, ma'am.
He is correct. Like if we add them and we are not getting this. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. It's not divisible by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 6 also. If it is not divisible by 3, it will not be divisible by 6. Okay. Next for 9. For 9. X.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No.
Can I tell?
No. Gar.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Why? What is the divisibility test for 9?
Sum of all
Huh?
digit 9.
Sum of all digit 9 divided by 9. Should be divisible
Yes,
by
ma'am.
9. Okay, this boy, what is his name? 9. Now, Beta, tell me, is it divisible by 9? Girl? Girl, is it divisible by 9? Girl?
No,
Girl,
ma'am.
Why? Why, girl? Why 2097 is not divisible by 9? Girl, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. Tell me, girl, why is it not divisible by 9?
Ma'am, because it is not.
What is the sum coming? Divyanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it divisible by 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, beta?
Ma'am, because ma'am, in this table 9 is coming and ma'am 2 plus 0 plus 7 is equals to 9. So ma'am,
Nahi, beta, we have to add them all. Okay? Adrika, you tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is divisible by 9 because when we add 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 0, the sum is coming 18 and 18 comes in the table of 9.
Yes, very good. When we are adding 2 plus 0 plus this, whom I asked this question, I think from whom I asked, Gar, see, 2
Ma'am,
plus
from
0 plus 9 plus 7. When we add, it is coming 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. 9 twos are 18. That's why, yes, it is divisible by 9. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
For 10, quickly tell me for 10, everyone. Anjali, tell me for 10.
Ma'am, last digit is
Ma'am,
0.
last digit should be 0.
Ma'am, last digit is 0.
Last digit should be?
Last digit should be 0.
Okay, very
Ma'am,
good.
the last digit should be 0 for 10.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm rubbing this. Okay. Take out your maths revision notebook. Take out your maths revision notebook. Write revision 3. Write revision 3. Write revision 3. Revision notebook में. Write revision 3. And write divisibility test. Divisibility tests. Girl, please switch off your mic. Girl, please switch off your mic. And take care of your mic, girl, always. Divisibility tests. Okay? Okay, write the first question. See, next question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9? Okay, so I'm going to write some of the numbers. You have to tell whether these numbers are divisible by 3 and
Ma'am, this is at the count.
you have to solve them, okay? So the solving also. Do this question first based on divisibility
Ma'am, this
test.
is right. Your copy.
Obvious revision copy. If it is revision, that means you have to do it in revision copy. Do it quickly.
Ma'am, written.
Do it. You have to
Excuse me,
tell
ma'am.
which of the numbers are divisible by 3 but they are not divisible by 9. Solve this one,
Excuse
solve
me,
this
ma'am.
one, solve this one, and solve this one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ha, beta.
Ma'am, we have to do the sum of it and we have to show to you.
Yes, obviously. You have to send this to me on WhatsApp. I will see how many of you know this. Compulsory that you have to solve in my way only. But see here, for example, A part is there. 45 it is given to you. So you are what you are going to do, you're just going to add, because in both of them we with 3 also and 9 also we see we add the digits. So we am adding the digits 4, 5, 9. 9 is coming in the table of 3. 9 is divisible by 9 also. That means it is divisible by 9 also. So you can simply say yes by 9. If you want a shortcut, yes, it is divisible by 9. Then if you see by 3, yes, it is divisible by 3. So we will not take this one. Okay, we'll stop here. Now we will see the B part. B part is 107. Just wait. I'm writing the B part here. 107. Okay. So 1 Okay, space is not there, so I'm just writing there only. B part. 1, 0, 7. 7 plus 0 plus 1 is total 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. No, by 3. No, by 9. So this one is also not divisible by both of them. So we will not put a tick over here. We will not put a tick over here because you have to tell which is divisible by 3 but not by 9. We have to tick which is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay, now next C part, if we see, it's 7080. Okay, 7 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0. So total is 15. Okay, 15. 15 is divisible by 3? Yes. 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. If yes for by 3, no for by 9. So they are asking the same question, which are divisible by 3 but
Ma'am,
not by 9. That means this one is the correct. Huh? Home, what are you asking?
ma'am, I've written that it is divisible by 3. I have not written no by yes
Why?
by
You have to
3.
write it. You have to write it. Now add it. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 3,
Ma'am,
12 plus 6,
Ma'am, I
18.
have written this method only. Ma'am, I have done this method only, but you have written yes by 9, but I have written it is divisible by
It's
3.
okay. It's okay then. Yes by 3 also and yes by 9 also. That means this is also not wrong. So C part is the correct one. It is divisible by 3 but not by 9. But I asked you to solve them whole. So that means you have to solve them. Okay? Just complete it quickly. Let me check some of the answers those who have sent. Dhwani sent again. Dhwani 107 divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay, C part is the correct. Okay, B part is the correct one. B is not correct. Dhwani, B is not correct. C is correct one. Who is this? Anjali. Very good, Anjali. But better tell which is by 3. You can just put a tick also. If I'm writing yes, so you can write by 9 tick. By 3 cross. Like this, yes or no, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Do this everyone quickly. We'll perform one activity next time. I'll tell you about the activity. Do you have glazed papers or colored papers at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
You can be ready with 3 different color glazed paper or the colored paper. 3 different colored papers.
Okay,
Be
ma'am.
ready with it. Next time we will perform an activity based on factors.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next
Okay,
time for
ma'am.
an activity, be prepared with 3 to 4. 4 colored papers you can take. Different colors. As you wish.
Ma'am,
Ab don't ask so many questions. Simple and simple is 4 different color के कुछ भी ले लो बेटा. Any 4 colored sheets you need. That's it. Nothing much more than that. And I'll tell you what is the activity and be prepared with a scissor, okay?
okay. Ma'am, when we will do this activity?
Which activity? We will do it in next term. Possibly next term.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I have taught you reasoning na last time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, do it properly. Who is
Ma'am,
this?
please get
Dhwani?
aside.
Dhwani, please tell beta it is divisible by 9 or 3. Yes by 9 or yes by 3. Please tell that also. Pratyusha, you also tell this is divisible by 3 or not. This is divisible by 9 or not. Tell this also. Why are you using such a, if I use less space, why are you all of you, why all of you are also using so many less space? Do not use any less space. It is correct. Arushi, it is correct. Mehul, it is correct, beta. Very good, Mehul. You have not used much line. Om, it is correct. Samar, correct. ओम बेटा बहुत गंदा लिखते हो बेटा. Improve your handwriting. I'm going to make you write down 10 times if you are going to send me such work. I'm telling you. I'll make you write down the same thing 10 times on. Very good. Who is this? Adrika. Now it is good. Who is this? Pushpa Jio. Who is this? Pratishtha Singh. It's correct. Who is this one? Last one. Akshat. ये half work कैसे करके दिया है? Do it completely. Akshat, complete it. What is this? Those who are doing the work, they may do the work. From rest of the class, I'm asking a few questions. You just answer me, okay? The smallest prime number is what? The smallest prime number is what? What is the smallest prime number?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
Yes, 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay. Now, I'm telling you some of the numbers. You just tell me whether they are prime or not. 16. 16. Prime or not? Prime or not prime? Or you can just put up your hands up and pick it up. Like this also. This 16 is prime or not? 16 is a prime number?
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is. Ma'am,
16
it
is a
is.
prime number or a composite number?
Ma'am, prime number.
What happened to you all? How can 16 be a prime number? How can 16 be a prime number? 16 is a prime number or a composite number? Okay, beta, we are having another period. In the 5th period we are having. This meeting is going to be over. We'll meet in the next period and we'll continue with the same revision work.
Ma'am, we
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
We'll meet in the 6th period. Okay, the meeting is going to be over. Less than 1 minute is left. It may be over any time.
Bye bye, ma'am.
And 16 is not a prime number. 16 is a composite number because it is coming in the table of 2. It is coming in the table of 8.